Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new episode of M+Bites. Today we check out Kinara Fusion Kitchen in San Francisco.
My name is Shahil, and I am the owner of Kinara Fusion Kitchen.
How did you come up with the name? What does Kinara mean?
Kinara means the edge of the Kinara, so it means Shahil. So it's actually Sahil. We're known for our Pani Puri shots. They come in little shot glasses with little potatoes.
We had them today.
It was good. We're known for our chicken 69 bites, are really good.
Chicken 69 bites, I just tried it. It's pretty interesting because I was trying to understand from Sahil why it's not called chicken 65. Apparently he's been a little extra with the naming convention. It doesn't actually taste like chicken 65, it's a little different. What's interesting to me is like they have this crispy, crunchy texture on the outside, but they actually have really moist, well-cooked chicken on the inside. I think that's really well done. The lamb chops, right? I love the fact that they made it in a tandoor. I'm pretty sure the guys used some kind of meat tenderizer of some sort, papaya extract or whatever. It was very tender to the point where it reminded me of bihari kebab on a bone, which is not a bad thing. I thought that was a different take on what a lamb chop could taste like. And I think that's something that you probably want to try as well. Perfect, thanks. For the biryani, like, I'm very picky on my biryani. Biryani that I tried, it was interesting because the way they put the chicken pieces and so on is different than having like a whole pieces in there. But I actually liked it. I like the fact that they had made the dum biryani beforehand and then cooked it and then put it on naan to give you that effect of dum biryani. I actually like it. If you never had like decent dum biryani, this is a decent option. It's not traditional in the sense that the flavoring or the way the chicken is made, but I think that's kind of the charm of the whole thing. So I'm gonna try their pizza now. I now get why it's called curry MVP because it's stacked curry in San Francisco. Not being a Warriors fan, I will give this a shot anyway. Oh yeah, that's good. I love the fact that they used naan dough in the pizza, and that definitely gives it a different flavor. I'm tired of having desi flavors on top of like an American style pizza, and I'm like, you can do better than that. I think this is that better. Definitely recommend you try this place out, Kinara in San Francisco. When did you guys start this business? Where were you?
So I actually worked at Amber India for 12 years.
Is that like another restaurant?
It's a fine dining restaurant in San Francisco.
Okay.
Did that for 12 years. Of course,
As what?
As a management waiter in the front. I took care of the lunch rushes and then dinner rushes and private events as well.
Nice.
And then I got an opportunity to open a pizza joint / hookah bar that we did for 2 years up the block. And it was a 12 seating, 13 tables.
That's the original dinner.
And that was original.
Yeah.
We started from there. And because a lot of people like pizza, and because we're a late time, we closed 3 o'clock in the morning. By the time we finished, it was 6 in the morning. So we started with Indian pizzas. So that was basically that was a theme. Let's bring something different, fusion style, into the food. And then that's when the Pani Puri shots came, and then Dum Biryani came.
Okay. So when you make the pizzas back then, were you still using the naan dough or?
Same dough, same style, with no eggs, no milk. We wanted to make dough where we can make the same atta for naan and the same atta for pizza.
Which does make a difference.
It makes a difference.
The way pizza tastes.
And it's softer, it's much better. We worked it took us about 6 months to get that recipe done, and we kind of got it together, and that's how it works now.
So if people are coming to visit, what's dishes you would recommend they have to try?
Well, we're known for vegetarian people, we're known for our Pani Puri, and then for meat-wise, we're known for our chicken 69 bites, are really good. We added a new dish on the appetizer called cauliflower Manchurian. If you have not had that, just try
I don't
it.
think we tried the cauliflower.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Our dum biryani is really good. Lamb chops are good. We added ribs. Those have been so far since we opened this location has been a hit.
Yeah. By the way, I saw the ribs in another table and I regret not getting them, so definitely try the barbecue ribs.
They're probably really good right now. That smell that walks by is like, oh man, look at that ribs.
Yeah, and they actually look really good. They remind me of the Halal barbecue place in Venice, except they have them longer.
Yeah.
They feel like you're thin slicing them somehow. Right?
Exactly. Because it's faster to cook when you have that many tables going out one time.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta understand that how do you fire that much food at one
It's
time?
not knuckle-sized one. It's a thin.
It's
one,
thin
right?
but
Sure.
longer, yeah.
Sure.
And we just put like
They cook them in tandoor too, or is that in the stove?
no, it's an oven. It's like a big oven.
Interesting. Okay. Oh, that's something else to try. Is there anything else that you feel like people should know about with regards to the restaurant or?
Oh, I
Your
mean,
story.
we're known for our pizza. I mean,
Uh-huh.
this is something we wanted to do because growing up in San Francisco, halal was one of the number one things. You know, finding places where we can find burgers, ribs, pizza. You know, you go out with your friends, you can't eat anything because it's not halal. You know,
Yeah.
so for me, growing up in San Francisco was number one, like let's bring something into one restaurant. You don't want to be because there's so many restaurants around us. You don't want to be the typical Indian Pakistani restaurant. You know, same curries, the same style. So our goal was the look of the restaurant. You know, because we have such a bad name sometimes when people go to tasty restaurants, like, oh no, it's not. If it's not Amber or a high fine dining restaurant,
Yeah.
we don't want to go there because you know we're gonna smell like our clothes gonna smell like Indian food. You know, it's not doesn't look that great. So we wanted to focus on the design, then the flavor of the food, and then the look of it. So we got all that together, and then of course playing around with the food, the design as well. Like you know, we have a burger. You know, Gordon Ramsay from Las Vegas, his place that he has over that burger. We learned how to make that sauce, and we put that in our burgers now.
Oh, interesting.
So we play around a lot of sauces. You know, our green.
What's that
steak.
burger called?
It's called Bombshell. Bombshell.
Oh yeah, that's the only burger that
The
we
only
have.
burger we have. Yeah. Bombshell burger has a special sauce that's basically made out of like ketchup and curry sauce and a little spice to it. Put in the flavor of the burger, and that kind of gives that Indian flavor touch to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who do you think shows up at your restaurant mostly? Is there a specific ethnicity that shows up, or is it mostly Desis, or?
I mean, right now because we're such an it's only been 3 to 4 months so far. You know, November will be our 4th month. We have a good clientele. I mean, like the 5:30 crowd comes in. That's where the opera and Tiffany crowd is down the block. So they come in, and then the late nighters are Desi families that bigger groups, kids. You know, they come in. I mean, we're getting people from Davis now, Sacramento coming.
Oh, yeah.
You know, Fremont, of course. Yeah, so word's getting out slowly by slowly. And I mean, we've seen today, it gets good turnout where a lot of families, big parties come in.
It's pretty much back, yeah.
So that's how it is.
So I noticed you talked about there are several other menu items that you're bringing up soon. By the time this video goes live, it's probably going to be a couple months maybe. But what is something that we should expect?
So we are working on. So I'm trying to launch one of the items every month, basically. Okay. So one of our next month item is basically mac and cheese tikka masala. So basically, that's one of our new.
I'm seeing their reaction to see how they think about this because they're your regulars.
That's one of our new things that we're. So last month we started brunch, Sunday brunch,
okay.
And that's
Halal
once halal puri, nihari, paya. That's once a month right now.
Okay.
And now we're gonna start bringing a little bit of food now as well. So mac and cheese tikka masala is coming out next. Right after that will be a chicken burger. Will come out right after that.
Okay.
So we have things ahead of schedule, but we want to launch it where we can, promote it, let people try it, see it. If you launch everything at one time, people get a little crazy. It's like,
But you're gonna limit it at some point. I'm guessing to keep the quality up, you have to limit your menu, right?
Limit our menu. Our menu is very easy, very simple right now.
Sure.
We've seen it. 8 appetizers. 7, 8 tenderi's.
Sure.
Burgers are 1. But we will make it to another level of change things around a little bit because everything right now is selling on their menu. Mashallah, everyone likes it. Everyone enjoys it. So we'll add little by little, and then of course our Sunday brunch will add things there.
Sure.
So we want to make the brunch and the dinner menu different.
Okay.
So
that's helpful. Is there anything else that you wanted to talk about that you want
come
me to
try it. Come try it and see for yourself how you like it.
Kinara is in.
Kinara is in San Francisco, 607 Geary Street in San Francisco.
Thank you so much, Chad.
Thank you very much, bro.
And quick thanks to these 2 wonderful women. You want to introduce yourself? So that's
Betul. Marva.
yeah, and they're awesome folks. If you ever want Indian food or Desi food in matter in San Francisco, please bug these folks. They're on Twitter now, so.